Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing free Waterpark private splash pool near Disney. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Located in Davenport, 12 miles from Disney's Animal Kingdom and 12 miles from Disney's Blizzard Beach Waterpark, free Waterpark private splash pool near Disney provides accommodations with amenities such as free Wi-Fi and a TV. Including a private pool, this vacation home also has a restaurant. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 5 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 4 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are offered in this accommodation. A playground is available for guests to use at the vacation home. Disney's Wide World of Sports is 13 miles from free Waterpark private splash pool near Disney, while Disney's Boardwalk is 13 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Winter Haven's Gilbert Airport, 22 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.